KintaMani.
Hello, KintaManis! My name is Kasa. What is your name? Nice to see you again. Today we will learn together about animals that will live in sea. Oh wow, that's so much fun! I love sea animals. It is very interesting to explore the ocean. Ocean water is blue and adorable. Millions of creatures live under the ocean's waters. Oh wow, this is so interesting. When we look at the ocean, we cannot see the creatures that live beneath it, but there are many. Do you know, my dear friend, ocean water is salty. The creatures that live in the ocean are used to living in salty water. Do you like eat salty food? Maybe not. Nobody likes salty food. Seas are similar than oceans. Seas usually have land on several sides. Oceans are both deep and wide. Oh wow, I have a question for you, my friends. Is the ocean water cold or warm? Both of them. Ocean water varies in temperature depending on factors such as location, depth, and season. In some places, the ocean water are freezing cold, but it can be warm in some places. In addition to millions of living things in the ocean, it is home to more than 1 million plants. Oh wow, there are many. Even some of the world's smallest animals live in the ocean. Their name is zooplankton. This is a so funny name, right? Zooplankton are so small that you need a microscope to see them. But do you know the name of the largest ocean animal?
Blue whale.
Yeah, you are right. The largest ocean animal is the blue whale. It's as long as 2 school buses. Oh wow, that's so cool. Do you know how many oceans we have in the world?
5 oceans.
Yeah, you are right. There are 5 oceans in the world. Let's count together. First, Pacific Ocean, the largest and deepest ocean. 2. Atlantic Ocean, the second largest ocean. 3rd, Indian Ocean, the 3rd largest ocean. 4. Southern Ocean, also known as the Antarctic Ocean. 5. Arctic Ocean, the smallest and shallowest ocean. Oh wow, now we know all the oceans. Let's repeat together. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Great job! I am very proud of you. You are so smart, guys. All right, let's get to know the animals that live in the sea. What is the name of the animal in this picture?
Dolphin.
Oh wow, you know dolphin. Dolphin. Say it again. Dolphin. Great job. They are so cute. Say hi to dolphins. Hi, my friends. Dolphins look like a big fish, but they are actually small whales. Dolphins are very intelligent animals and they are friendly towards humans. Oh wow, they are our friends. Dolphins live in salt water or fresh water all over the world. Do you know how long dolphins are? more. Most dolphins are 7 to 10 feet long. They have smooth, rubbery skin. Oh, so soft. I want to pet him. They are usually colored in some mixture of black, white, and gray. Oh, what a beautiful color! Dolphins are social animals. This means that they live in groups. My lovely friends, do you know dolphins have 2 stomachs? Oh my goodness, that is so interesting. One is used to store food and the other is used for digestion. Oh wow! Dolphins sleep with one eye open like this. Really funny, right? They make their own sound. Have you ever heard a dolphin sound before? Let's hear it together. That is so cool and sweet. Time to say bye, dolphins. Bye-bye, dolphins. We all love you. All right. Do you know what is the name of this animal?
Shark.
Yeah, this is a shark. Shark. Say it with me. Shark. Great job. Let's sing a baby shark song. Sing along with me. Baby shark toot 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 toot, baby shark toot 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 toot, baby shark toot 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 toot, baby shark. Mommy shark toot 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 toot, mommy shark toot 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 toot, mommy shark toot 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 toot, mommy shark. Daddy shark toot 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 toot, daddy shark toot 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 toot, daddy shark toot 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 toot, daddy shark. Grandma shark toot 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 toot, grandma shark toot 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 toot, grandma shark toot 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 toot, grandma shark. Grandpa shark toot 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 toot, grandpa shark toot 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 toot, grandpa shark toot 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 toot, grandpa shark. Let's go hunt toot 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 toot, let's go hunt toot 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 toot, let's go hunt toot 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 toot, let's go hunt. Run away toot 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 toot, run away toot 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 toot, run away toot 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 toot, run away. Safe at last toot 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 toot, safe at last toot 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 toot, safe at last toot 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 toot, safe at last. It's the end toot 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 toot, it's the end toot toot toot, it's the end toot toot toot, it's the end. It's the end toot toot toot, it's the end toot toot toot, it's the end toot toot toot, it's the end. La 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 la. Great job! The shark is one of the oldest animals on earth. Oh my goodness, look at his teeth. It looks very sharp. Sharks have gray skin. Sharks have a keen sense of smell. Sharks use their sharp sense of smell to find food. Have you ever seen a real shark swimming in the water? Let's watch together. Wow, that's so cool! Let's say bye-bye to Sharky. See you soon, Sharky. Bye-bye. What do you see in this picture?
Octopus.
Oh my goodness, you found very fast, my lovely friends. This is an octopus. Octopus. Say it again. Octopus. Great job! An octopus is a sea animal with 8 arms. An octopus has a soft body and large eyes. Its long, slender arms reach out in all directions. That's so cool, right? An octopus can change color quickly depending on its surroundings or mood. It can be gray, brown, pink, blue, and green, or angry red when suddenly frightened. That is amazing! Have you ever seen a real octopus swimming in the water? Let's watch together! Well, let's say bye to octopus. Bye bye, silly octopus. See you soon. What is that?
Sea turtle.
Yeah, you are right. This is a sea turtle. A sea turtle. Say it again. Sea turtle. Sea turtles are turtles that live in the world's oceans. They are so cute. They swim like this. Splash, splish, splash, splish. This is so funny. Have you ever seen a swimming turtle before? Let's watch together. Oh wow, they are so fast. I love it. Let's say bye to sea turtles. Bye bye, lovely sea turtles. See you soon. All right. What do you see in this picture?
Jellyfish.
Yeah, you are right. This is a jellyfish. Jellyfish. Say it again. Jellyfish. 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 Great job! Jellyfish are marine animals with soft, jelly-like bodies and no bones. What? No bones? This is really interesting, right? A typical jellyfish is shaped like a bell or an umbrella. Oh wow, they are so cool! Do you know, my dear friends, jellyfish have no brain, no heart or eyes as well. Oh wow, but how do they see? It's weird. Have you ever seen a real jellyfish swimming in the water? Let's watch together. Oh wow, cool jellyfish. Let's say bye to jellyfish. Bye bye, lovely jellyfish. See you soon. What's that?
Crab.
Yeah, you found it. This is a crab. Crab. Say it again. Crab. Great job. Crabs also live in the sea. Crabs can be found in all oceans and fresh waters. Some crabs live on land, sometimes several miles from water. A crab has 5 pairs of legs. Oh wow, that's so cool! Crabs have short tails. This is a very tiny. Have you ever seen a crab living on land or in water? Let's watch together. They are so cute. I love crabs. Do you like it? What sea animal is this? I'm sure everyone knows them.
Clownfish.
Yeah, this is a clownfish. You are right. Clownfish. Clownfish. Say it one more time. Clownfish. I love clownfish. Everybody loves clownfish. Oh, they are so wonderful and adorable. Clownfish lives in tropical ocean. Clownfish live in warm, shallow parts of the ocean. Clownfish are not strong swimmers. Lazy clownfish, why you are not swim, huh? Let's take a closer look at clownfish. Oh, they are so colorful. Our next sea animal is guess, my friend. What do you see in this picture?
Whale.
Yes, this is a whale. Say it one more time. Whale. Great job. Whales may look like fish, but they are mammals. Whales are large animals that live in water. The blue whale is the largest animal living in water. Oh wow, they are so massive. Why you are so big? What did you eat, you blue whale, so big? This is so funny, right? I think your appetite is good. You eat a lot. The blue whale has teeth. Wow, that's scary. Have you ever seen a big whale? Let's watch together. Oh wow, blue whale is so massive. Let's say bye to whale. Bye bye blue whale. See you soon. Maybe not. What is that?
Starfish.
Yeah, starfish. Starfish. Say it one more time. Starfish. Great job. This is so cute. Starfish is in the shape of a star. A starfish is not a fish. They have no brain or blood. What? No brain? That's strange. They live for a long time, about 35 years. Starfish only live in salt water, which means you'll only find them in the ocean. They love salty water. Oh wow! Have you ever seen a starfish? Let's take a closer look at them. They are very, very sweet. Let's say bye to starfish. Bye bye, starfish. We love you. You are so beautiful, like a star shape. What is that?
Seahorse.
Of course, this is a seahorse. Seahorse. Say it one more time. Seahorse. Great job. The fish called seahorses do not look much like typical fish. Look at this. The seahorse has a horse-shaped head and neck. Oh wow, this is so interesting. It has a long flexible tail. Seahorses live in warm and temperate seas. They don't like cold water. Seahorses are very slow swimmers. They are lazy, like as a clownfish. Well done! Today we have learned about beautiful sea animals. You did a great job today, my little friends. I am proud of you. You have come to the end of today's video. I love to have fun and learn with you. My little lovely KintaManis, don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search my channel name. My channel name is KintaMani. Will you spell my channel name with me? Ready? Let's go. Kintamani. Great job. See you later. Bye bye.